did I do
Because you're
wrong?
being detained right now.
Why would I be detained?
Because you went through that door without permission.
On January 4th, 2025, airport security officers responded to a gate disturbance. A passenger attempted to board a commercial aircraft without a valid boarding pass for that flight. Federal aviation law, the Fourth Amendment, and detention authority were all put to the test.
How
you doing? Okay? What's going on?
I have a flight for this evening, but I'm trying to check into an earlier one for the same place. But the system's not working. I can't.
What did the ticket agent got to tell you?
Well, I told him. I tried to tell him.
So you don't have a ticket?
I have a ticket, but it's for a later time.
Okay.
And I wanted to get onto an earlier one. I'm trying to change it, but won't let me change it.
Yeah. So you tried to get on a plane?
Yeah.
Okay. You got to have a ticket for that flight, though, right? That's my understanding. Okay. Why he wouldn't help you? Okay. Let me see what your phone's not working. What's it saying? This is your ticket. This is your current ticket?
My current ticket.
Oh, you canceled it. Okay. Yeah, I'm not.
Trying to go into this one.
Yeah, this is probably already booked, but you got to go through them. You can't do it on the
It's
app.
not canceled. It's right here.
Oh, you still have it. Okay. What
Just
time?
trying to change it to an earlier flight.
Okay. Because they have flights all day, you know.
You're not allowed to go right now.
Yeah, just sit down. We're trying to work. We're trying to work this out.
You're not allowed to leave.
We don't know what happened. They said you tried to get on the plane, you didn't have a ticket. Is that a big deal? It can be, but we don't want it to be. So just relax. You're not in trouble. We got to figure out what we're going to do, though, right? And up to us, up to the airport. We're just cops that work at the airport, okay? Work with us a little bit, though. A little bit of cooperation will go a long way, okay?
If you're able to tell us exactly what's going on and help us help you, okay?
Well, she said she wanted to get on an earlier flight, but there was some issues with booking, and
yeah, but you can't just jump on a flight.
Right, you just can't open the door and run on the plane, because that would be bad. That's like trespassing, you know?
So. Do you have any identification on you?
All I wanted to do was change my flight from, it's the same flight.
Yeah.
Same place. But I'm changing it from a later time to an earlier time, but the system is not letting me do it.
Okay, so then that probably means you're not able to do that, which means you're not going to be able to fly early.
Yeah, you couldn't get on this flight. Yeah, you couldn't get on this flight because it's probably already booked, and you didn't have the boarding pass for this flight. So that would have been. That's okay, because they can redo it. They can redo it right here and assist you with that.
I would like to go on this flight.
But that one's already done. That one's gone.
It's full. There's no room for you.
Yeah, it's already loaded up.
Which is probably why he didn't get you on that.
Yeah.
Excuse me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Why still hasn't taken out this too late?
So the agent wasn't here. It's probably too late. What time were they already boarded?
They boarded, but my flight doesn't leave till 7:07.
Yeah, well, it's past. There's a cutoff time, and like 15 minutes cutoff time. So it's like at 6:58. So you're past the cutoff time. Somebody will be back here in a minute. If not, you can go up front and go talk to the ticket agent and rebook. I'm not sure. We got this other thing, but he was just here. He may be coming back in a minute. The American agent. Like I said, boarding ends 15 minutes before departure, so you kind of missed it. Because of the line of TSA. So you probably got to rebook. But just hang out, and somebody will be here in a second. If not, go back out, and go back to the ticket.
Can I have someone help me, please? Because they won't let me leave the airport.
Yeah.
They won't let me get on a flight. They won't let me leave. What are you doing?
What did you just try to do?
Get on the flight.
Okay, that you're not allowed to be.
But you guys are not letting me change the flight and get on the flight.
She's got a question over here too, but it's something unrelated. What are we doing? Sergeant, look at the video. What's her name?
I don't know.
You got anything? She said she had a later flight.
I've seen it.
You're not.
That's not anything. Black or whatever the
You want to
I'm sure that's
not. I'm going to leave.
Jordan.
No, you're not.
You cannot do that.
Okay, let's.
Here, he can now explain something.
Yeah. Show them your ticket stuff.
Just no, I don't trust you. I don't trust any of you.
Okay,
Just
that's all right.
give me my bag.
You're not leaving.
This
right
is
now.
not your bag.
We're
This is
recording.
my bag. You need to let go.
You're not leaving.
I'm gonna call someone because this is not right.
Okay.
Passengers are advised not to leave baggage unattended at any time.
You don't have the information at all?
Control closely all personal belongings and any carry-on items.
Can you show him your ID, man? Would you want to show him your ID?
He's going to maybe try to help you.
I'm gonna go to
First
primary.
up, what are you wanting done with her? Are you filing anything?
I mean, I guess because I don't know her, she was trying to get on my aircraft, so that's a big.
Are you allowing her to fly on another?
The person, I don't know what's going on.
Did she pull the door, walk on a jet bridge? What happened?
I had the door open. I was finishing boarding,
Right.
and I did my final boarding. She went down. I was like, "Man, your boarding pass." She didn't show me anything. She was like, "Oh, look at
Did
this."
she get on the jet bridge?
So I tell her, "Hey, what is your name?" So I looked the people that was missing. She was not in there.
I'm at A5.
And she said, "I'm on the later flight. I want to get on this one." I was like, "Man, you cannot do that. I mean, you have to have a ticket for this flight." Then
There was some.
she sit down.
Okay.
She's in normal.
Okay.
And at some point
But then
she
she tried
started.
to force her way on.
Yeah, she went down. And I grabbed her quick before.
How far
she
down she get? No, you can just tell me.
Because I'm sitting with.
I'm on Charlie. We're gonna
Yeah,
cancel
mine's
this now.
on too,
We're gonna
yeah.
call this
So let
now.
me recreate it.
Okay, so-
basically she went down
Right
there,
here?
and I grabbed her really quick, like say,
Okay.
"Man, no, you cannot go,
Okay,
please."
and that was
she
it?
didn't resist or
And
anything.
sat down.
But I mean,
Okay. You
that
close the door.
that made me feel like that was not right.
So Brian says,
Who says?
Brian, the ticket agent,
Hispanic guy? His name Brian?
Brian Guerrero. He said, she's sitting. The door's open. He's the last people that boarded. She said, "I'm trying to get on a flight." He said, "Sorry, man, you can't go." She sat down. He was dealing with something. She got up and tried to go, and she actually entered the jet bridge.
Yeah.
He said, "No, no, no." She made it like 3 or 4 steps in and pushed her back.
He got it.
He's right there. Oh, I got his information.
Oh, well, the videos, it looks like from the video,
She's not.
Jimbo's Fisher's kid's like the last one to get on.
Good.
He closes the door, and then it looks like he's probably making the final boarding call. Probably like a minute, he lets Jimbo's Fisher's kid on, shuts the door. Like a minute later, I assume he's making the last call. She starts walking up, and he opens the door, like inviting her in the door, and then he kind of stops her. And I'm assuming he's like, "I need a boarding pass," and she shows the phone, and I think he's pointing to the scanner.
Yeah.
And she scans, and something went wrong. So it looks like he pointed for her to sit, the door wide open. He pulled the manifest, and then she just, while he was screwing with the manifest, probably getting ready to give it to
Tried
the
to walk
captain.
on.
She tried to walk on, and he jumped in front of her and kind of struggled. She resisted a little bit because she put her hand like.
So were you at TPW or at BA 52? She's not cooperating. She won't give us her name. She called 911.
I think she's got to go to jail.
Okay.
Yeah, she's got to go to jail.
Okay. No, she said she had one for a later flight today, but she wanted to get on this flight, and she tried to rebook. But we're almost at 10:15.
What did he say?
The video's pretty conclusive that she tried to get on when he was busy. He thought she tried to scan, but didn't work. He started looking at manifest. She tried to run on a plane. He had to physically restrain her.
The subject herself called 911 during the encounter. The botch redirected the call to airport security. A call for help does not function as an exit from a lawful detention. It does the opposite. By summoning officers and then refusing to cooperate, the subject compounded her legal exposure. For arrest, officers required probable cause, a higher standard than the suspicion that justified detention. Probable cause existed, witness testimony, corroborating surveillance video, and the subject's own statements. Continued refusal to identify and attempts to leave closed the evidentiary circle. When officers issued the arrest command, the subject resisted. Under Graham v. Connor, 1989, force is evaluated on 3 factors: severity of the offense, whether the subject posed a threat, and whether she was actively resisting. The subject posed no weapon threat. However, active resistance to a lawful arrest justifies proportional force. The physical response observed was within the acceptable range under Graham's objective reasonableness standard.
37? Probably. We'll wait and see. He's going to make the call.
But she hasn't given her a name or
No,
anything?
she's refusing. She's kind of like not talking.
Try talking. Good. We're going to go at her. She was very nice.
She was trying to get up and go, but I told her she's.
And she called 911, so
Okay.
Yeah.
we'll stand
I told her she's not free to
They
go.
sent the call to us, so
Passengers
that kind
are
of makes sense.
So We're trying to help you here. All right, you got yourself in a pickle. And if you want to talk to us, the pickle might be able to get better. If not, it's not going to get any better. So can we start with your ID, your phone, something?
Not to leave baggage
I just would like to leave the airport.
Okay, you're not free to leave until we identify you to start with.
Thank you for your cooperation.
I know these officers are super officers and been super nice to you. All right.
They've
So
been
let's start
so
with
nice.
producing
But
some.
my thing is, why are you not allowing me to leave? Or I can't go on the flight. I can't leave. I can't do anything.
You're not free to go
Why am I not free to go? What did I do
because you're being
wrong?
detained right now
Why would I be detained?
because you went through that door without permission.
I'm just trying to get on a flight, an earlier flight. The system is not working. So I asked him. He wouldn't
well,
help
let's
me.
see your boarding pass
So I'm
on
trying
your
to go
phone.
under, and I'm not going to give that to you because I do not trust you.
Okay.
I would like to leave, and you're not letting me leave. That seems very illegal to me. And you're cops. You shouldn't be doing this. You cannot hold a person against their will. You can't tell them they can't do. It's like you're just trying to trap me or something. What are you trying to do?
Well, I'll back off you a little bit, but no, we need to identify
If
you
you
with the
want-
driver's license or some type of
If
ID
you're
card,
trying
passport.
to de-escalate a situation, and I'm telling you, I'm just gonna leave and I'll find my own way, a different way, because I don't know what's going on in this airport. I've been here before. I had a suitcase here, and some things happened here, and I do not trust the airport. But I tried again, and it's another thing. So I just would like to leave, and I don't want to deal with this anymore. And everything that you guys are doing right now, it just.
You understand
does
the
not-
reason you're
it's
not
very
allowed to
wrong.
leave is because you committed what's called a crime. When you tried to
I
force
just
your way
tried
onto
to
that
go on a
No, ma'am.
flight.
And yes,
I have a ticket.
You tried to do
The
something
system
that
is
you're
not
not
letting
allowed
me
to
go
do
on the flight.
because it's not for this flight.
Okay, but I have a ticket. I said I was.
You said you had a ticket. You've not shown that to anyone.
Look, I watched the video. What did the gentleman tell you when you were getting ready to get on? Then he stopped you, and then you had to scan your phone. He looked at your phone, and then he said no. What did he tell you? Stand up now.
No.
Ma'am, you're going to be under arrest.
All right, look over the purse.
No.
You gotta pull it up over there.
You got it. All right, bring that one around. Just go on to the back.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's what the-
Yeah, sit down. We're good.
You can hold on to it. That's fine.
No. Stop.
Let's just take it
Give me my
off.
property. Do not do that. Do not do that.
Stop. Let's
Why
go.
are you arresting me just for going on a flight or trying to
We
go
tried
on
to
a
explain it to you,
Let
man.
go.
Come on, stand up. We
Take the
can
cuffs
walk.
off. And I didn't do
Stand up.
anything
Well, let's go
wrong.
walk over
Well,
here.
let's get out of here.
No.
Yeah, we gotta go. Come on.
Yeah, I'll get the chair.
All right, no, we don't need it. She's gonna walk. Come
You
on.
gonna walk?
I got your purse. You gotta explain yourself. We don't understand what you're saying.
I'm sure her purse is in there. Her ID.
Can I hold my bag?
We're just gonna go with you.
Did you unhook those things, or
Yeah,
here, let me hold this while you sit there.
we'll give it back to you.
You got to sit down.
We're gonna give it back to you.
Good. All right, I'll tell Mike you're transporting if you switch it over.
Under 49 U.S.C. Section 4634, entering a jet bridge without authorization is a federal criminal offense. Authorization means a valid boarding pass for that specific flight, not intent to obtain one. The subject held a ticket for a later departure. That ticket granted zero access to this aircraft. Gate agent Brian Guerrero confirmed the subject entered the jet bridge after boarding was closed. She advanced 3 to 4 steps before being physically stopped and escorted back. This entry, however brief, satisfied the actus reusalement of the federal statute. Under Terry v. Ohio, 1968, officers may detain a person when specific articulable facts suggest a crime occurred. Here, a witness account, surveillance footage, and partial admission by the subject supplied that foundation. The detention was constitutionally grounded from the moment contact was made. Officers demanded identification during the detention. The subject refused, citing distrust. Distrust of law enforcement carries no legal weight during a lawful Terry stop. In Hiibel v. 6th Judicial District Court of Nevada, 2004, the Supreme Court addressed this directly. The court held that requiring a suspect to state her name during a lawful stop does not violate the Fourth or Fifth Amendment, provided the jurisdiction has enacted a stop and identify statute. If that statute applies here, the subject's refusal constituted an independent criminal act. At the time of this analysis, no court records or press releases confirm the charges filed or their resolution. Federal charges under 49 U.S.C. Section 4631 appear supported. State-level obstruction charges are also plausible. Any civil rights claim by the subject would face a substantial obstacle of the documented jet bridge intrusion. Officers receive a B. Detention was lawfully initiated under Terry. De-escalation was sustained for nearly 10 minutes. Arrest decision was supported by probable cause. Force applied was proportional under Graham. Deduction. Officers did not articulate the specific statutory basis for the identification demand, a procedural gap that matters in court. No explicit Miranda advisement was captured on camera immediately following the arrest. That omission warrants scrutiny. The subject receives a C+. Her frustration was legitimate. The airline system failed her. The ticket agent provided inadequate assistance. But entering the jet bridge without a boarding pass was the legal error from which everything else followed. Refusing to identify during a lawful stop, regardless of personal distrust, has no constitutional protection here. Physically resisting arrest added charges and justified the force used against her. Gate agent Brian Guerrero receives an A-. Boarding access was correctly denied. Physical intervention at the jet bridge was measured and effective. His detailed witness account formed the cornerstone of probable cause for the arrest. Minor deduction. Earlier customer service intervention may have prevented the situation from reaching law enforcement. 3 lessons from January 4, 2025. First, a ticket and a boarding pass are legally distinct. One grants travel rights. The other grants access. Know the difference. Second, during a lawful detention, silence is a right, but refusal to identify in stop and identify jurisdictions is not. Third, when law enforcement acts, rightly or wrongly, the remedy is the courtroom, not physical resistance at the scene. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal top issue would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.